Hi ladies, I have a question for y'all. Is this your first time shopping Yummy? If so, you've tuned into the right video. Welcome back to another Tip Tuesday, and I am so happy to feature our Natural Wave collection. I have 3 tips on why Natural Wave is the perfect first time purchase for you. Natural Wave is a part of our raw Cambodian collection. If you're just joining the raw hair community, it's a perfect transition and texture to go ahead and get your foot in the door to experience what raw hair is like. The maintenance on this hair is going to be extremely low, requiring a co-wash maybe once to twice a week. Natural low luster of Cambodian hair will offer a great blend for styling leave out. Get up and go guys that just likes to roll out of bed and have their hair already done. Natural Wave is the perfect style that holds the curl for many days. Overall, this is just a Yummy Girl favorite, from our business women to our brides. This texture is just a beauty. And Natural Wave has restocked at our Dallas and our Brooklyn locations, so be sure to drop by to get your hands on your perfect set. Please, thank you so much for tuning into another Tip Tuesday. And if this is your first time joining us, don't forget to sign up to be a Yummy Insider to get the scoop on all the latest things Yummy. All right, Yummy Girls, we'll see you next week.